Hi, I'm Sue at Nomar. I'm going to be changing the wheel on my race bike, and I'm going to be using the Pro model to do that. First, I'm going to let the air out of the wheel. Using the valve stem core wrench to do that. Take the dog block, move it in the spot that we've got indicated on our frame. And the reason I want to do that is that I want to line it up with the bead breaker. Right here. So I set this on top, use it as my press plate. Make sure that it's off that rim all the way around. Now I'm going to flip it over. Do the same thing. Now I'm going to move the dog block to fit the rim. Use the large holes for my indication. Use the top of the dog block for my finer adjustment. I'm going to place the hand clamps on the rim. The reason that I want to do that is that I'm removing the rim or the tire from the rim of the wheel so it locks in quite easier. Push the rim in here, here, put it in the flat part of this cam, lock it in. Take the hand clamps off. Take my spray lube. It's the only time that the top part of this wheel and tire get wet when you're using the spray. Make sure it's locked in tight. I'm going to use the demount part of the bar to take the tire off. Come in here and engage that rubber. I push down on the tire and I bring the very tip of the demount tip to the edge. And I place it about 7 o'clock. Get the first part of the tire off. Now I'm going to take the second part off. Again, placing the tip at the edge. Using the bar as leverage, cranking the bar back, engaging the tire. And I got it off. Now, I need to put the new tire on. We're going to take our paste that we use to put tires on. We're going to put this paste all the way here in the drop center of this wheel, all the way around. I'm also going to put a little bit from 10 to 2 on the top part of the rim. Now I'm going to place some on my tire. I'm going to place it on the back side of the tire and up underneath here from 10 to 2. I'm going to just push that on. Taking the 2-prong end of the mount demount bar, placing it at the 7 o'clock position. Walk the bead back. Using my yellow thing to keep the bead in place. And put that at about 3 o'clock. I'm going to use my body weight to put the tire on. Put my hand on the handle. And the tire goes on. Remove the yellow thing. Take the tire out of the clamps. air the tire up, then we're going to balance it.